Have you ever finished a meal and somehow still felt hungry? Or opened the fridge not because your body needed food, but because your mind did? What if I told you that most people are not failing to lose weight because of food, but because they don't understand why they are eating? Today, you're going to learn the critical difference between physical hunger and emotional hunger. And once you understand this, weight loss becomes much easier. Why this matters for weight loss? Understanding hunger is one of the most powerful tools for healthy weight loss. Many diets fail not because people lack discipline, but because they are fighting the wrong hunger. When you confuse emotional hunger with physical hunger, you eat more than your body needs, even when your diet looks right on paper. And this leads to frustration, guilt, and the feeling that weight loss is impossible. But once you can tell the difference, you regain control. Physical hunger is your body's natural signal for fuel. What is emotional hunger? Emotional hunger is very different. It comes suddenly. It's urgent. It's about stress, anxiety, boredom, frustration, and the most important thing to know: even after eating, the urge often remains, followed by guilt. The key difference is, let's simplify this, builds slowly, open to many food choices, stops when you're full, comes from the body, comes from emotions. If hunger feels urgent, emotional, and tied to a mood, it's likely not physical. Stress, eating temporary relief, guilt, more stress. This cycle keeps people stuck, even when they are trying hard to eat healthy. Drink water. And weight loss always starts in the mind before it shows in the body.